I sure hope that's snow, but when I turn the light out or on, you can only see it at the bottom. Hmm. Hello? Are you snow? Okay, we're gonna cut the light off and then on. What's going on? Of course, snow don't fly sideways. It flies any which way but loose, right? When or if people move into that homestead over there, they're gonna hate my light. I'm gonna be like, well, you see all these other houses? You got the old house, the decrepit house. All new manufactured homes have lights and no windows. So that's not a me problem. That's a you problem. See, now it really looks like strange.